And now I take out the capsule, which has coffee on it, really smoothly done to the top with no additional residue, and I need to push on the lid. And there we have it. And now what I need to do is to put it in the Nespresso machine and see if it makes a cup of coffee. As I always do before I make an espresso coffee, put the cup on, machine empty, then run it once through for a large cup. And also, what this does is it warms up the inside, clears any debris from a previous cup of coffee that you've made. If you look inside the cup, the water's slightly dirty and there are grouts, so that means that some of the residue of a previous coffee would have gone in my new coffee. Just tip that away. Now put that back there. Now take the capsule I've just made, put it in the machine and close it down, and now it's time to make the coffee. As you can see, it's made an excellent cup of coffee. I did have to be quite firm pushing it down. I did try doing it gently a few times, but the capsule's quite solid, but you really have to kind of get your hand on it, just push it down quite quickly. But overall, I think that's made a damn good cup of coffee, and I'll just give it a try. Absolutely gorgeous. So there you have it. This is a Capsulier Lite. I must admit, I really like it. If you don't like what comes in the standard capsules and you'd like to make your own, as I've done with this French style coffee with chicory, which I absolutely adore, this is a great machine for doing it. So I would thoroughly recommend one of these actually. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.